My people, I am here again with another interesting bread recipe you are going to love. This video is specially for diabetic people, so watch to the end and also help me to share. So I have here with me red kidney beans. I soaked it in the water for about an hour and then I rinsed it, transfer it into my blender. So I add it in the blender and then I'm going to be adding 2 raw eggs. If you're allergic to egg, you can skip the egg. I added 3 spoons of fat-free yogurt. I added semi-skim milk. If you don't have fresh milk like this, you can just use water instead of milk. And then I blend it very, very smooth. If you are the type that love to eat bread and because of some certain condition, you've stopped eating what you love, try this recipe. Honestly, you will love it. So as you can see, I transfer it into my bowl and it's very easy to make, guys. It won't take you much time to make this bread. Next, I am going to be adding 1 cup of grounded oats. I added baking powder. I went in with 2 tablespoons of sugar replacement. You can use dates if you prefer, okay? Put dates when you are grinding the kidney beans. Add dates on it instead of using sugar. But for the sugar I use is sugar replacement. Mix it up until it is very nice. When I post it on my YouTube channel, I am going to be putting the link where I bought it on Amazon. And then I went in with 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use sunflower oil, you can use olive oil. It's still going to come out nice. Lastly, I transfer it into my buttered pan. Okay guys, if you find this video interesting, help me to share it, okay? So that it gets to more people. People that love to eat bread, but they have stopped eating bread. I want this video to get to them. And let me know where you're watching this video from so that on my next video, I am going to send you a hug. Next, I will cover it and I will bake it in the oven. My oven was set on 200 degree and I baked this for 20 minutes. Guys, take a look at this. Oh my God. I was not expecting this to come out nice like this. It was really soft. When I cut the bread, I was like, oh my God. This is one of the best bread I have ever made. Guys, take a look at this. It doesn't look like bread. It doesn't taste like bread as well. Just look at it. If I tell you this is kidney beans, will you believe? Now tell me, are you going to make yours as well? Let me know in the comment section. No excuse for you not to eat healthy this year. So I'm just going to add jam on it just to see how it tastes in my mouth. Honestly, ever since I started baking bread, this one is the best. Like, the bread looks so posh. If you tell somebody this is kidney beans, they won't believe. When I bite it, I was like, Jesus, 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 this one, no. The taste is so nice, guys. Honestly, I was not expecting it to be like this. Try this recipe, come back in the comment section and leave your comment. And if you find this video helpful, please help me to share this video, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful. See you all on my next one. Bye.